Drinking chia seed water every day has become a huge trend, but most people are doing it in ways that can actually backfire. Instead of boosting health, it could leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, or even messing with your digestion. Today, we're uncovering the real effects of chia water, the hidden mistakes people make, and how to use it correctly so it helps your body instead of hurting it. Chia seeds have been everywhere, poured into mason jars, blended into smoothies, and praised online as a detox miracle. But here's the truth: chia seed water isn't magic. When it enters your system, it kicks off a series of changes that affect your gut, your energy levels, your blood sugar, and even how your brain feels. The outcome depends on how you use it. So what really happens if you drink chia seed water every single day from the very first hour 2 months later? Let's break it down step by step. What happens in the first hour when chia seeds soak in water? They expand and create a thick, gel-like layer. This is made of soluble fiber, and it's the reason chia behaves the way it does in your body. Within the first 30 to 60 minutes of drinking it, digestion begins to slow down. That gel traps some of the carbs you eat, releasing them more gradually and helping to keep blood sugar stable. It also draws water into the intestines, softening stool and promoting regularity. For some people, that means relief from constipation. For others, especially those who take too much to soon, it can mean cramping or bloating. Week 1. Early gut shifts. By the 3rd to 5th day of daily use, about a teaspoon soaked in 1 glass of water, people often notice small but important changes: lighter digestion, less bloating, and fewer cravings between meals. This isn't magic. It's the fiber feeding your gut's beneficial bacteria, which support immunity and lower inflammation. But here's the catch: if you don't drink enough water, the same gel that helps you clean out can actually block you up. Think of it like washing dishes. You need enough water to carry things through. Week 2. Metabolism and energy. After about 2 weeks of consistent use, chia's effects go beyond digestion. Research suggests it can reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, help manage cholesterol, and even support weight control by keeping you fuller for longer. Some studies have linked chia intake to a slimmer waistline and improved triglyceride levels. But the amount matters. The sweet spot is around 1 tablespoon a day, not a heaping half cup. Too much, too fast can flip the benefits into problems. The common mistakes people make: here's where chia seed water can quietly backfire: overdoing the dose. Jumping straight to multiple tablespoons can overload your gut with fiber, causing discomfort. Forgetting hydration: chia soaks up liquid. If you're not drinking extra water, constipation can hit hard. Treating it like a detox: your liver and kidneys already detox your body. Chia simply supports those processes by improving digestion. Poor timing: a glass before meals can reduce appetite, while after meals it may aid digestion. On an empty stomach in the morning, it often works best for smoother elimination. Long-term effects: the good and the caution. If you stick with chia seed water for 3 months or more, the benefits can be impressive: reduced risk of heart issues thanks to omega-3 south, steadier weight management, and a healthier gut microbiome. Many people report feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized, but there are cautions too. If you're on blood-thinning medications, chia's omega-3 content could increase bleeding risk. If your blood pressure runs low, daily chia water may push it lower. And for people with sensitive digestion, chia can trigger flare-ups if overused. The smart way to drink it: here's how to do it safely. Start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon daily for a few days, then gradually work up to about 1 tablespoon. Soak properly. Let the seeds sit at least 30 minutes overnight is best. Stay hydrated. Add 2 or 3 extra glasses of water throughout the day. Enhance it. Try lemon juice for vitamin C, a pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar support, or cucumber and mint for better digestion. Chia seed water isn't a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool if used correctly. Done right, it helps digestion, supports weight management, and boosts overall wellness. Done wrong, it can leave you bloated, blocked, or worse. So before you grab that jar of soaked seeds, make sure you're using this simple habit wisely. Your gut and your whole body will thank you. If this video gave you new insights, don't forget to drop a comment about your experience with chia seeds, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips that actually work without the hype.